Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to clear cache in Google Chrome. So without any further ado, let's get started. First is you need to open your Google Chrome. Once you open it, just simply expand it by clicking the bar icon here above. And here, as you can see in my upper right side of your screen, you can see three dots. Just simply click that to see more. Okay? So once you click that, just proceed to delete browsing data. Okay? Click that and you will be redirected to this new window. Here, it has this delete browsing data window. It goes with basic, advanced, and I'm recommending you to go with the basic. Okay? Under this, it has this three categories: browsing history, this will deletes history, including in the search box. Cookies and other site data where signs you out of most sites, you'll stay signed in to your Google account and might as well cached images and files freeze up to less than 200 megabyte size. Some sites may load more slowly on your next visit. Okay? In my case, if I'll delete these cached images, my Google Chrome data will free up to 203 MB sized. Okay? Just if you want to delete, I mean, not delete this browsing data, you can simply uncheck it. And goes with cookies and other site data and cached images. Just go proceed to delete data. And now I have just free up delete data in my Google Chrome. Okay? So hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.